Is Alzheimer's and dementia the same thing? Dementia is the most common age-related mental issue in which the person suffers from the loss of cognitive functioning that interferes with a person's daily life and activities. On the other hand, Alzheimer's is the most common type, and there are some distinct points of difference between the two. Watch this video till the end. I'll tell you a special secret case study of a person who restored his brain health in just 3 simple steps. But first understand, what is dementia? Dementia is a syndrome, not a disease. It is a term used to describe a group of symptoms affecting memory, thinking, and social abilities severely enough to interfere with your daily life. It isn't a specific disease, but several diseases can cause dementia. Though dementia generally involves memory loss has different causes, and it alone doesn't mean you have dementia. What is Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease is a progressive neurologic disorder that causes the brain to shrink and brain cells to die. It is the most common type and most common cause of a progressive dementia in older adults. While it commonly affects people above the age of 60 years, it can also affect someone as young as 40 years. Symptoms of Alzheimer's versus dementia. While symptoms of Alzheimer's and dementia can overlap, there are some differences too. Both conditions can cause decline in the ability to think, memory loss. Communication impairment symptoms specific to Alzheimer's disease include inability to recall recent events, severe depression, indifference, faulty judgment skills, delusion, confusion, difficulty to remember words and language. Alzheimer's versus dementia treatment. While treatment for dementia will depend on the exact cause and type of dementia, many treatments for dementia and Alzheimer's can overlap. It's a good idea to consult the doctor if you're concerned about whether you have the symptoms of dementia or Alzheimer's disease. Starting treatment promptly can help you better understand and manage your symptoms. Alzheimer's treatment. Unfortunately, there is no cure for Alzheimer's disease available. However, there are options that can help manage symptoms of the disease. This includes medications for behavioral change, memory loss, depression, and sleep changes. Alternative remedies such as coconut oil and fish oil that aims to boost brain function or overall health dementia treatment. In few cases, treating the condition that causes dementia may help. While most cases, dementia isn't reversible, there are many forms of dementia that are treatable. People with dementia can also benefit from supportive services from home health aides and other caregivers. An assisted living facility or nursing home may be necessary as the disease progresses. Alzheimer's and dementia are 2 different ailments. One must consult their doctor about the symptoms they are experiencing so that the doctor can the right treatment promptly to help manage the symptoms. I've found a case study video of Brian Thompson who was losing his memory, focus, and mind, and then he got it all back again. He claims 3 simple steps completed, restored his brain health, no drugs, doctors, or special foods required. Watch his full video by clicking the link in the description and pinned comment. If you think our information is valuable, please subscribe our channel and hit the like button, and share your response in comments to let us know how we're doing.